All right, we're just trying to cut a video here of the Bobcat. Can you guys see the trunk on this thing? Is it square? Is it sitting square? Are we square? This machine came back from repairs from Bobcat, and they said it was all fixed up. It was cutting deep on the right hand side. We bought the first brand new S570 in November 2018, and it was cutting deep on the right side, and so Bobcat couldn't find out the problem, and they basically swapped it out with this machine. Now this machine was also cutting deep on the right hand side, and so what we are looking at right now is the repair. This is the fixed machine. Bobcat had it for months. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. They couldn't get it fixed. And then they called me up and said, hey, this thing's all fixed up for you. Come and get it. Wow. Just have a look. I'll show you guys what this is all about, and you can leave some opinions behind whether or not this is fixed. Quick look here at one side. There's the body mount. Sitting flush with the frame. As you run over the Bobcat to this side, they've had to wedge it up. You know, 3/16 1/4 inch, 5 mils, in order to get the front to cut straight. So we can also see that they did lift the front, not as much as the back, but somehow they've also wedged the front up. And here's the big old Chevy key. Can't quite fit in there. And here's the Bobcat key. And she's in. Look at that. Bobcat key fits. So it's good. It's the Bobcat's fixed. The key fits. So that's what we're looking for. We go to the front of the machine. And we also find that we can get a key in the gap in the front. It's good. It's a Bobcat key, so it must work because it's a big gap in the front the key fits in. And on the opposite side, no wedges, no gaps. They've lifted up one side of the machine to get it to try to cut square. So that's what we got, boys. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you think this is a repaired machine, or if you'd accept this machine into your fleet, or hey, even if you want to buy it. You having a hard time finding a machine right now? One's for sale.